Hello, and a very warm welcome to my garden. There's something special about stepping outside on a warm day and gathering fresh ingredients for your lunch. But let's be honest, digging, weeding, and watering in the summer heat can be a bit much. Wouldn't you rather enjoy a homegrown salad without all the hard work? Today, I'll share my favorite secrets for an effortless summer garden. Choosing the right plants, pairing them wisely, and setting up a system that almost runs itself. So grab a cup of tea and join me as we create a beautiful, productive, and wonderfully lazy salad bed together. Let's begin, shall we? The first secret to a carefree garden is choosing the right companions. Plants, like people, thrive with the right friends. Our job is to play matchmaker and let the plants do the work. Take tomatoes and basil, plant basil around your tomatoes, and its scent confuses pests like hornworms and whiteflies. Less pest trouble for you, and the basil gets a bit of shade from the tomatoes. Some say this pairing even improves the flavor. Sun-warmed tomatoes and fresh basil are a summer delight. Next, carrots and chives. Chives' oniony scent masks carrots from carrot rust flies. Tuck chives between carrot rows, and you'll have unblemished carrots and fresh chives for salads. It's a simple, space-saving combo that protects your crops with minimal effort. Now, squash and nasturtium squash can attract pests, but nasturtiums act as a trap crop. Pests flock to the nasturtiums, sparing your squash. Plus, nasturtiums are edible. Their peppery leaves and vibrant flowers brighten any salad. Companion planting is the foundation of our effortless garden. It reduces pest control, creates a balanced ecosystem, and means less work for you. Every plant has a purpose, often more than one. By thinking about these relationships before planting, you set yourself up for success. You're not just a gardener, you're orchestrating a thriving, self-sustaining plot. This proactive approach means more time to relax and enjoy your garden. So choose your plant partners wisely and let them help each other and you through the season. With these clever pairings, you'll have a productive, low-maintenance garden that practically takes care of itself. Less fuss, more flavor, and a lot more time to enjoy the view. That's the beauty of companion planting. It's gardening made simple, smart, and delicious. Try these combinations and you'll see the difference in both your harvest and your free time. The plants do the heavy lifting and you get to enjoy the rewards. It's a win-win for any lazy gardener. So before you plant, think about who gets along best. Your garden and your taste buds will thank you. With the right partnerships, you're well on your way to a truly effortless summer garden. Now, let's meet the stars of our sun-drenched plot. Ready for the next step? Let's go. With our plant partnerships set, it's time to choose crops that thrive in summer's heat. Lazy gardeners pick sun lovers that flourish with little fuss. First up, okra. It loves heat, needs little water once established, and keeps producing as long as you keep harvesting. Next, eggplant, a true sun worshipper. Give it warmth and sunshine, and it rewards you with glossy, delicious fruit. Roselle, a hibiscus relative, is another heat-loving star. Its tart red calices are perfect for teas and jams, and it's tough as nails in hot weather. Don't forget bush beans. They're compact, quick to mature, and deliver a big harvest with minimal care. These crops are naturally suited to summer, so they stay healthy and productive without constant attention. No need to coax cool weather crops through a heat wave. Work with the season, not against it. By filling your garden with heat lovers, you drastically reduce the need for extra watering and care. The result? Happy, productive plants and more time for you to relax. Okra, eggplant, roselle and bush beans offer a variety of flavors and textures for your summer kitchen. From crunchy beans to creamy eggplant, your meals will be as effortless as your garden. The secret is simple. Choose the right plant for the right place at the right time. With these sun worshippers, your garden will thrive on its own. It's the essence of lazy gardening. Maximum reward, minimum effort. So embrace the sun, pick the right crops, and let your garden do the hard work. You'll be amazed at how much you can harvest with so little effort. That's the beauty of a well-chosen summer garden. With the right plants, you're set for a season of easy abundance. No more struggling with fussy crops, just sun, soil, and simple success. Your garden becomes a self-sustaining source of summer joy. And you? You get to enjoy the best part, harvesting and eating. That's what lazy gardening is all about. So let's set the stage for these sun lovers to shine. Next, we'll build the perfect foundation for your effortless garden. Ready to make it even easier? Let's dig in. Where you plant is just as important as what you plant. Forget digging up a big patch of ground. Let's use large containers or raised planters. Containers give you control over soil quality, reduce weeds, and make gardening easier on your back. Fill them with rich compost and soil for a perfect start, and enjoy fewer weeds and less maintenance. Raised containers warm up quickly in spring and provide excellent drainage, ideal for our heat-loving crops. Now, let's think vertically. Many summer crops like tomatoes and cucumbers love to climb. Add a simple trellis to your container to save space and keep plants healthy. Vertical growing improves air circulation, reduces disease, and makes harvesting a breeze. Fruits hang clean and easy to pick. No more rummaging through tangled leaves. Imagine a wooden crate with a trellis tomatoes climbing, basil at their feet, an eggplant to the side. It's a compact, productive, and beautiful mini garden. This system keeps things tidy, reduces work, and fits anywhere. Patio, balcony, or right by your kitchen door. No need for a big plot of land, just smart use of space. Containers and trellises make gardening accessible and efficient. It's perfect for small spaces and for anyone who wants to avoid heavy labor. With this setup, your plants get the best environment to thrive, and you get a garden that's easy to manage. Embrace the crate, give your plants a ladder to the sun, and watch them flourish. This is the strong, simple foundation of your effortless summer salad bed. It's the key to keeping things productive and stress-free. With the right foundation, everything else falls into place. Your garden becomes a joy, not a chore. So skip the digging and start with containers. You'll never look back. It's modern, clever, and perfect for lazy gardeners. Now let's add the finishing touches to make your garden truly self-sufficient. Ready for a little finesse? Let's finish strong. Onward! With our partners, sun lovers, and foundation in place, it's time for the final touches. Watering can be a chore, but there's a trick. Water deeply, but less often. A thorough soak once or twice a week encourages deep roots and drought-tolerant plants. Shallow daily watering just makes plants needy, so skip it. After watering, add a thick layer of mulch, straw, leaves, or wood chips. Mulch keeps soil moist, stabilizes temperature, and suppresses weeds. It's the ultimate lazy gardener's tool. Less watering, fewer weeds, healthier plants. Next, make the most of every inch by tucking in quick crops like radishes or arugula. These sprinters go from seed to harvest in just a few weeks, filling gaps before bigger plants take over. Succession planting means you're always harvesting something, maximizing your container's productivity. Arugula is especially handy. Snip leaves as needed, and it keeps growing. Rotate quick crops through empty spaces for a steady supply of fresh greens. These simple techniques, deep watering, mulching, and quick crops, are the icing on your lazy garden cake. They transform a container of plants into a self-regulating, productive system. With these details, you can step back and let the garden do its thing. It's gardening with your head, not just your hands. The result? Less work, more harvest, and a garden that practically runs itself. So, water smart, mulch well, and fill every gap with something tasty. That's the secret to a truly effortless summer garden. With these finishing touches, you're ready to enjoy the fruits and vegetables of your minimal labor. Your garden is now set up for success, with every detail working in your favor. Sit back, relax, and watch your garden thrive. You've earned it. The hard part is done. Now it's time to enjoy. Let your garden reward you for your clever planning. That's the beauty of lazy gardening. Ready for your just desserts? Let's wrap up. And there you have it. A beautiful, productive summer salad bed that gives so much and asks so little. By choosing the right plants, pairing them well, and setting up a smart foundation, you've created a garden that almost takes care of itself. The real joy is in the harvest. Snipping basil, pulling radishes, picking sun-warm tomatoes. This is your reward for a bit of thoughtful planning. With the right partners and timing, summer gardening is easy. Just plant, pair, and relax. I hope you feel inspired to create your own effortless oasis. Thank you for joining me, and happy lazy gardening.